Bro, let's be real. Why does it feel like every dollar you get in college disappears the second it hits your account? Rent, food, books, and that one night out that somehow turns into $120. Society told us, you're young, chill, don't stress about money. But reality hits, debt piles up. Savings equals zero, and one car repair could throw your whole life into panic. Low-key, the system never taught us how to save. Like, we had lectures on Shakespeare, but nobody told us how to have $500 ready when your laptop dies. Here's the truth nobody says. Being broke in college isn't just normal, it's actually dangerous. One small emergency, and you're wiped out. You grinded that part-time job only to watch your money vanish on autopilot. That's stress. It's heavy, and the longer you ignore it, the more it locks you down after graduation. If you don't fix this now, 6 months from now you're still stuck one emergency away from borrowing money, swiping credit cards, or begging parents for help. What if I told you that in just 6 months, you could build a money safety net big enough to sleep like a baby at night, even as a broke college guy? Yo, I'm Sam, your money wingman. Welcome to Send the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. If you want to stop stressing about being broke, hit that subscribe button now. This is for education only, not financial advice. Here's the game plan. I'm going to show you step by step how to save 6 months fast. Break down the numbers, show the lifestyle, expose the traps, and give you some wisdom you can actually use. Let's go. In this video, baby step 3. How college guys can save 6 months fast. Let's dive in. Bro, imagine having 6 months of cash stacked. It's like having your own superhero armor. No random car breakdown or medical bill can KO you. The average car repair cost around $500. A random medical bill is like $1,000 to $100. And missing a paycheck can hit you for $800. Stack 6 months of cash, and boom, you've got a $6,000, $8,000 safety net. Picture this, your car dies. And instead of stressing, you just say, "No, I'm good," and pay cash. That's the kind of confidence money stacked gives you. Without a savings buffer, every crisis drags you deeper into debt, and that's a trap. But with 6 months saved, you breathe easy, no panic, no debt spiral. Think about it, 6 months saved is not just numbers, it's breathing room. It's knowing you're untouchable when life throws punches. Like Warren Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving. Flip your mindset and watch how fast your freedom builds. Step 1, bro, you gotta face the numbers. You can't save a dime if you don't even know where your cash is leaking out. Most dudes don't realize they drop like $100 to $100 a month on random stuff they don't even remember buying. Once you track it, bro, it's like turning on night vision goggles. You finally see where your money's slipping away. If you don't track it, the cash keeps vanishing, like sand slipping through your fingers, and you'll never know why you're broke. Track it right, and boom, you catch those $20 pizza runs and late night impulse buys before they wreck your wallet. Like Dave Ramsey says, a budget is just telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It's you being the boss, not your broke habits. Bro, saving money doesn't mean you gotta turn into a boring monk. It just means cutting out the stuff that doesn't really matter. So, you've still got cash for the fun moments that actually do. Think about it, just cutting $50 from eating out, $40 from subs you don't even watch, and $30 from random Amazon buys adds up to real money. That's $120 every month, which stacks up to $720 in just 6 months. That's like a whole safety net you built just by trimming the fat. And don't worry, you're not skipping pizza nights with the boys. You're just not blowing $20 on DoorDash for nights a week. The trap most guys fall into is either cutting way too extreme and burning out, or not cutting at all and staying broke. Like Jefferson said, never spend money before you have it. Cut the fat, keep the fun, and you'll actually enjoy stacking your savings. Cutting back is cool, but let's be real, you can only trim so much before life feels dry. That's why the next move is to actually boost your income, get that money flowing in. Imagine picking up a small gig on campus, like tutoring or working at the cafe. That's not just pocket change, that's steady cash stacking up while you still focus on school. Do the math, even just $10 an hour, 10 hours a week, that's like $400 a month. Stack that for 6 months and you've got $2,400 saved without killing yourself. Think about it, your regular job pays your bills, but your side hustle feeds your savings. That means you get freedom without touching your main cash flow. But here's the warning. Bro, don't work so much you tank your grades. Pick hustles that fit around your schedule and don't burn you out. Like Grant Cardone says, income solves all problems. More money means less stress and more choices. Stack your side hustle cash and watch how fast freedom comes. Bro, real talk, willpower fades, but automation, that's forever. The easiest way to actually save money is to make it automatic. Imagine $100 sliding out of your account every month without you touching it. That's $600 in 6 months, like magic, stacking up while you chill. Now add your side hustle money on top of that. Suddenly you're stacking even faster. It's like putting your savings on turbo mode. The best part? You don't even think about it. While you're busy living your college life, your future self is getting richer in the background. But here's the trap: if you wait until leftover money, bro, there's never leftovers. You gotta flip the script and pay yourself first. Remember this quote: don't save what's left, save first. Automation makes it real. Your money grows without you stressing every week. Bro, here's the truth: saving money isn't about stacking cash, it's about stacking peace of mind. When you've got a safety net, you're not just richer, you're calmer. It lets you breathe easier because you know you're covered when life throws a curveball. Think about this guy: he has zero savings. The moment his car breaks down, he's freaking out, panicking, calling mom and dad for help. His whole day gets wrecked because he's got no backup plan. Now picture guy B, same car problem, but he's got savings. He just pays the bill, shrugs it off, and keeps driving like a boss. That's the power of being prepared. Stress bounces off you instead of sticking. Fast forward, imagine graduating with 5 or 6 grand sitting in your account. That's not just money, that's straight up confidence unlocked. You walk into your next chapter feeling secure, not scared. But here's the thing: if you can't picture that future, saving feels pointless. The vision is what fuels the grind, because you're chasing something real. Without a clear picture, it's easy to slip back into old habits. Like Tony Robbins says, where focus goes, energy flows. Lock in your vision, focus hard, and let that energy push you toward freedom. Your focus becomes the engine that drives your money moves. Bro, let's be real: savings are useless if you keep dipping into them every time you feel like it. Protect your stash like it's your secret treasure chest. The average dude blows like $200 a month accidentally by pulling from his savings. That small leak destroys your progress before you even notice. Think of your savings like a glass case, only to be broken in real emergencies. Not for sneakers, not for pizza nights, only for real crises. Don't confuse wants with emergencies. A new pair of kicks is not a crisis. A medical bill or car breakdown, that's the real deal. Benjamin Franklin said it best: beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Protect your ship, bro. Bottom line: treat your savings like sacred ground. If you defend it, future you will thank present you big time. So quick recap: track your money, cut the fat, boost income, automate, visualize, and protect your stash. That's the 6-month savings game plan. It's not about being rich in college, it's about being ready. That readiness equals freedom. If this hit home, smash like, subscribe, and share this with your boy who's always broke. Drop in the comments what's the hardest part for you, saving or not spending. This is Sam, the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Stay sharp, stay ready, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.